Hi, let's understand the concatenate function in Excel. Let's see how concatenation can be used to append two strings. What you see here are two strings, Shri and Ganesh. Using concatenate function, I will append that. See the syntax of the function, concatenate, text 1 I link to Shri, comma, text 2 I link to Ganesh. I close the bracket and press enter. I get Shri Ganesh. But this is not the desired result. You want some space in between. How that can be added? I edit the function by pressing F2. I add some space in between this. See, I have added space between two brackets. And now, if you see, the concatenate functions work this way. Let me show you the function using my internal command, which I have written. So the function I have written is concatenate B5 space in double quotes and C5. This is how you can concatenate two strings. You can use this to concatenate more than two strings as well. Now if I want to concatenate a string and a number, let's use our concatenate function again. I link it to a string, space, comma. I want a colon in between them. Then I link to 23 and I want to end it with districts. So basically, Maharashtra has 23 districts. See, to show you the function again, what we have written concatenate, Maharashtra we have linked to, then colon, C12, and district, and concatenate has given this. Most of the time, the inputs are not static. That is, they update. Look at this. You're concatenating, updating values. Suppose there is a principal of 2000, interest rate is 12.5%, gives an interest of 250. You have to generate a concatenated output saying interest payment on a loan of 2000 at 12.5% is 250. How can you do that? We'll use concatenate text. So we write first interest payment on a loan of space. We want to link to the amount at we want to link to 12.5%. I will currently link it to this and then I'll show how we have to change it to 50. What you have observed is the text is same, but 12 we have not been able to get 12.5%. We have got 0.125%. How we can change that? Let's use text function with formatting. So this is C20. So C20 I use text function. Text is a function in Excel which helps me generate the format, and I need a format of type 0.0%. These are the formats I will use. Okay, I have missed a bracket here. So you have interest payment on loan of 2000 at 12.5% is 250. If I update this value to 3000, see, a static input will have as it is what I've written, but my updating concatenation gives me new values. I change the interest rate to 13%, I get new values. Instead of concatenate function, there are other operator which can be used to do the same thing. Let's study that as well, which is an ampersand. Ampersand, you can find ampersand above 7 on your keyboard. This is an ampersand operator. So let's see how we can do that. I can do that by connecting Shri, ampersand, some space, ampersand again, and Ganesh. So if I write this way, I'll get the required output. So similar to concatenation, you can use ampersand function as well. Look at this as well. I need a colon here. Ampersand is also very easy to use. Similarly, ampersand can be used in concatenating update values as well. I hope you have understood the concatenate function. Thank you.